So, Shrek 2 and Puss in Boots are now both available for pre-order. Now, these are not coming to the UK, at least not in this shape or form, so you can order them from WoW HD, which I probably will be. Now, Shrek 2, along with the original Shrek, which was released on 4K Blu-ray, if you don't own the 4K Blu-ray for Shrek, you're not really missing out much. I mean, it's slightly better in places, but also slightly worse in places. But I think it's probably the definitive method, probably to watch Shrek. Shrek 2, plus with the Shrek 20th Anniversary Edition, you also got the advantage of, if you didn't have the bonus disc of the Shrek Ultimate Collection, you got that included with this. It's just going to be an upscale, and the reason is because basically they can't do anything else with it because the software for it that was used to make the first two Shreks is unfortunately just too old for modern day computers, so they can't do a re-render of it, so they're stuck with the final version. So yeah, this could get a release in the UK, but I don't know, because there's been no announcement of any steelbooks and that, so yeah, but also the thing with Shrek 2 is that the UK version is different from the US version in terms of cameo appearances, in terms of voices. For example, the ugly sister, different voice in the UK from the US. So yeah, and various other, sort of bit parts are different. So that is this one. I probably will still pick it up as well. Now the artwork does say temporary artwork, although I will be disappointed if that is just the artwork, because it's just reusing the same sort of generic stock images, to be honest. I'd rather, if they were going to just use artwork that already existed, then just use the original poster. Then we have Puss in Boots, which oddly enough does use its original poster, at least in this image. Yeah, they don't use the simplified poster and that they've been using on the re-releases, so that's nice. Now this could be a true 4K if they've done a remaster of it. I don't know if they've basically if they've re-rendered it and that, then possibly it could be. I remember I did see this film in IMAX and it did look amazing, and this film should definitely, if they've done it properly, should definitely look better with an HDR treatment. Now, the reason that this will have come out now before Shrek 3 or 4 is simply because originally, if you look at the release date, which is November 22nd, this was basically planned to come out when Puss in Boots 2 came out. But unfortunately, the second Puss in Boots, The Last Wish, that unfortunately has gotten pushed back until early next year. So, yeah. But this one again, I'll definitely be picking up as well. But yeah, I think what I'll probably do, I don't know if I should wait and see or pre-order them now. I think what I'm probably going to do with these, I'm going to give it a bit of time and wait and see, because last time I ordered the Shrek 20th anniversary version, and then I think it was like a week later or something, they announced the Zavi Steelbook. So at the moment, I'm going to wait closer to that release date and see what happens, because they might decide to give it a UK release, but I doubt it because, for example, they're not even doing Blu-rays in the UK anymore. I'm talking about just DreamWorks. DreamWorks, they're not even doing Blu-rays. For example, The Bad Guys, you can only get that on DVD officially in the UK. There's not even a Blu-ray of it. And the only place that does a 4K Blu-ray of that is the US and Canada, which is where I imported mine from. So yeah, but the good thing is that 4K Blu-ray is region free, and usually with these, the Blu-rays themselves are region free as well. The Shrek Ultimate Collection, if you have that, yeah, the Blu-rays are region free in them and they play perfectly fine. So, but yeah, there we go.